Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student Kalunga. So welcome to Kalunga, to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. Appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Yeah, freelancing is a very, very exciting opportunity these days. And yeah, in this video I want to give you some quick motivation and tips how you can get started as a freelance developer. So specifically today we are going to look at Python freelancers, right? And one thing I want you to get out of this video is to actually get started no matter where your current skill levels are. So first of all, as a Thinkster freelancer student, we will hire you for your first gig. And you should know that you are already valuable on the platform no matter your current skill level, even if you're a complete beginner. So, and especially if you finish the first parts of the course, you will quickly have value on the marketplace. And initially it doesn't matter. So even if you are really a complete beginner, you can see now we can here search for example for Python freelancers, and let's start with $10 and below. So this is really like absolute beginners in Python, and we type in Python here. Python. So there are some coders earning less than $10 per hour, right? And those usually are absolute beginners with Python, right? So you already have value. No matter where even if your value is at like $3 per hour initially, just take it and learn and use it as a learning experience. Initially, the whole value you get is not via the monetary compensation, but it's like getting the first ratings, getting the experience and learning the skills, right? And then as you improve, you will increase your hourly rate, right? Now let's have a look at $10 to $30. These are now still beginners, but beginners with a little bit more experience, right? They have, for example, some experience on the platform, like here, top-rated freelancer already, and you can see like they already make money, like up to $20 per hour, which is for many people it's already great to make $20 per hour. For a student, I would be happy to work for $20 per hour, right? But then as you gain more and more experience, you go into this $30 to $60 per hour experience. And here you can see many of those freelancers actually still have a high job success score, but often it's just a matter of charging it, right? And being confident. And you gain the confidence by finishing the gigs. That's why you should know that you can already start no matter where you are, even if you are like below $10 per hour. You can actually skip some of these levels. You can start with charging, for example, $20-30 per hour already, even as a beginner, and then just live up to your potential, right? Fake it until you make it. And yeah, you can see like those people charge between $30 and $60 per hour. So are there people charging even more? So let's check. Of course there are. I mean, I know because I was one of them, and I still am one of them. And you can see like those people, Leonardo's charged $70 per hour, has earned more than 90K on the platform already. Here we have another $70 per hour, $88 per hour. What do? They still do Python stuff, like for example Python and web development, Python and web scraping, Python and Flask, and Python and Django. So we have a lot of Python web development, but there are also like Python developers focusing more on data analysis, like this one here, Noor, right? Noor focuses on Python plus data, and he charges $65 per hour, having earned more than 100K on the platform already. So you see, no matter where your niche is. So in this example, we actually had so this is a Python plus cloud engineer. So in this video, we have looked at the broad Python space and have actually checked out different levels of hourly rates that you could achieve on Upwork, and we have seen that you can start no matter where your current skill levels are. So I think this should be the most important takeaway from this video, Kalunga. So so definitely start no matter where you are, so you can feel confident. You already have some value. So if you don't believe in yourself, then this value may be like $5 per hour for the marketplace, right? If people could hire you for $5 per hour, they would do so because you are a valuable person. You can already do things that creates business value for those people, right? And then you can over time gradually increase your hourly rate and become a more and more successful freelance developer, improving your income exponentially up to a certain point until it converges to a high level of say $150,000-$200,000 per year. So I would say like this is often the steady state conversion for many people if they choose to improve their business every day for years and never stop, then usually they converge to, say, a level of 200,000 bucks per hour. But you need to be willing to learn in order to reach this type of income level. Okay, thanks Kalunga for joining the Freelancer course. Great to have you here. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I release those kind of motivational conversational videos every day. And yeah, thanks for your attention, and see you in the course. Bye.